Good day. I am Michelle Magena from Julio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology, taking up as BS Mathematics. So, purpose of this video, the main purpose of this video is for our recitation in actuarial mathematics. This also showcases our capability in understanding our subject in the whole semester. So, this is the statement of the problem. Considered a Weibull model with n equals 1, it is given that survival function at hs of 20 equals 0.14. So, determine the value of a. And now, we are the exciting part, solving the problem. So, the topic will cover about the Weibull model. The Weibull law of mortality is defined by the hazard function mu of x equals kx raised to n, where k greater than 0, n greater than 0, x greater than equal to 0, that is credit rate is proportional power of h. Showing that survival function of x is equals to e raised to negative integral of mu of y dy, whereas mu of y is equal to ky raised to n. Substituting the value of mu of y to the survival function of x is equals to e raised to negative integral from 0 to x of ky raised to dy. Solving the survival function, we have e raised to negative k integral from 0 to x y raised to n dy equals to e negative ky raised to n plus 1 equals all over n plus 1 from 0 to x equals e raised to negative k times the quantity of x raised to n plus 1 all over n plus 1 minus 0. The survival function of Weibull model. S of x equals e negative kx raised to n plus 1 all over n plus 1.
Go.
So this is the formula of Weibull model. S of x is equals to e raised to negative k x raised to n plus 1 all over n plus 1. That's the given formula. So S of 20 is equals to 0.14, x equals 20, n equals 1. So substitute the given to the formula. So S of 20 is equals to e raised to negative k 20, 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1. So multiply both sides ln. So ln times 0.14 equals e raised to negative k 20 raised to 2 all over 2 times ln is equals to ln 0.14 equals negative k20 raised to n is equals 2. So, cross multiply, magiging 2 ln times 0.14 divide all over negative 400 equals negative 400k all over negative 400. So, cancel. So this is the answer is k equals to ln 0.14 all over negative 400. Substitute.
Go.
For solving the k equals 2 ln times 0.14 all over negative 400 to get the k approximately 0.0098.